Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for an overdraft on your Monzo account. First, open the Monzo app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in to your account. From the home screen, tap on the Account tab. It's located right under your Monzo card or account balance. On this page, scroll until you see the overdraft option, then tap Learn about overdraft to continue. You'll be taken to a screen where you can start your application. Tap the Next button to move forward. If you're eligible, Monzo will show you the maximum overdraft limit you can borrow. Select the amount that works for you. Tap Confirm to apply for your overdraft. If approved, it will be instantly added to your Monzo account. And that's it. That's how you can easily apply for an overdraft with Monzo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.